Right now it's very important for everyone to stay at home, but I don't see any reason why the quadrocopter should stay at home. As you can see, there is this pretty nice old castle close to my village, so I flew there with the quadrocopter and made an automatic survey and took some pictures from above. At these pictures I made some post-processing in Lightroom and put them into a Photogrammetry software. Made a pretty nice model, as you can see. So, pretty detailed 3D model. Shrinked it down in Blender to get a little bit less information. Put it into Solidworks and sliced it down. Made some holes for alignment of the different parts. Took some 10mm strong wooden boards and milled all pieces. Made some grinding. Glued all different parts together. The painting and the accessories gave it a nice finish. So stay healthy and try to enjoy the time at home. There is so much to learn.